Hello everybody! In this video, we'll go over the sorting feature. It is accessible through the sorting controls directly on the grid. To access these controls, hover over field members or total cells. Click the arrow the first time to apply descending order and the second time to sort ascending. You can also remove or apply sorting via the context menu. The sorting feature is also available on the flat table. Here, you can sort by several columns at once. Press and hold Control or Command on macOS and click a sorting arrow on each column you want to sort. Now you can easily find more relevant data on your grid. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.